Good morning, everyone. We're going to Seoul alone. We're boarding the plane na. See you there.
I got a photo, yes, but she's served. And I'm down for
I just landed at Korea and I'm going to find my Wi-Fi SIM first. So I have my SIM card already inside and my T-money. I bought a new one because I forgot my old one.
is this real?
Ooh, but it's blurry.
Out every day. Is this real? You know, and it's cloudy every day.
Nakakahirap nun, my God. I should be going to exit 9. My hotel is right in front of exit 9. And they have 7-Eleven at the lobby. Okay.
21st floor.
So far, so good. The hotel is really nice. And I'm lost. Oh, look at the card. Wait. I'm 2106. Okay, it's right there. Okay. Ito yung totoong first impression ng hotel room. Hotel room. Okay, let's go in. Okay, push. Oh my God, look! Yung pinakamagandang part dito kasi carpet siya. Carpeted yung floor. And I have a bathtub. Okay, let's see the view. Lagay muna natin dito. Okay. Look at the view! Oh my God! Let's take a look at the bathroom. Right here, we have the toiletries, the hair dryer, toiletries, mga toiletries, and my bathtub. And we have a big mirror. Meron siyang pang-iron. May pang-linis ng sapatos. We have slippers. Ito yung bathrobe. And you have a vault. Good job, Kian. I'm gonna rest first. And then I'm back. I'm done. So let's go out. Before that, let's have a quick outfit of the day. So I'm wearing Heart Club jacket from Mixxmix, Uniqlo pants, and Uniqlo something inside. You cannot go wrong with white shoes. Masakit pala yung paa na to kasi na-spray na ako. Ash. So, I'll be walking around Korea with a broken foot. Bye, room. See you later. Okay, we're going out. How's the temperature? Good. It's not that cold. This is my first time vlogging alone, so kakausapin ko lang talaga yung camera. Medyo nakaka-pressure yung kuya na yan, ah. Okay, I'm here. Okay, we're right across the street, and I think that's my room. Look at the park. So nice. That I can get to autumn. Right there. It's nice and cold. I'm going back to the station because I want to go to Hongdae. We're at Hongdae. Dito kami tumira dati. Nandito na talaga ako sa Hongdae. Mamaya ako napupunta yung mga dapat pupunta na kakain muna. I think this restaurant is Makbo. The food is here. Oh my God, it looks good with Coke. Mixxmix Gentle Monster. Ay, hindi mo sila pinansin. Hindi ka nila papansinin. So, huwag na naman silang pansinin. Kasi nakausap ko yung counter. And we're here at Stylenanda. For free. Stylenanda. Wala akong mapili dun. So, I'm gonna go in at Chuu. I've been wanting to get this -5 kilo jeans kasi kailan ka papapapayat? Baka ngayon na with Chuu. Oh my god, look at this place. It's so cool. Okay, right now, I'm walking towards Mixxmix at pagod na ako. Na-joke lang. Masakit lang yung paa ako. For story time, kanina may lumapit sa akin, dalawang babae. Hindi ko alam kung scam o hindi. Pero iniimbita nila akong pumunta sa isang culture thing. Culture talk. Cute kasi they're trying to promote Korea in the scariest way possible. Maghanap ng random stranger tapos kakausapin nila. Tapos ano na, diba? Medyo kaloka. So nagawa, hirap pag story time habang ayan. So papunta tayo dito. Basta you're walking with me. Siguro alam ko itong ginadaan ako. Sabi kasi ni Google mapapunta ako doon. Papuntahan ko na naman yan dati pero not this route. May na akong sasalita. Pagdating na lang sa Mixxmix. Habang mag-shopping pa ako doon. Okay. Alam mo ba kung ano to? This is BT. It's BTS. It's the BT house. But I'm not a fan. So, bye-bye. Pass for me for Mixxmix. Wala rin akong gusto dun. Gosh, quiet. You found our first Gentle Monster. Look at this. 안녕하세요. Wow. Gentle Monster is known for this extravagant display. I don't know what it is. Let's go upstairs. Baka napansin nyo, nag-iba ako ng outfit. Shopping. Wow! And that is your first Gentle Monster. Gusto ko talagang bilhin yung isa. But, I can't decide. Hindi ko maintindihan yung mga taong naka-short. Itong mga kumpul na yan, maraming kumakanta dyan sa gitna. Mamaya, tatanawin-awin natin. Pero magpapalit muna tayo ng pera. finished taking a bath and doing my night routine. I'll link my night routine over here. I'm dead tired, but I'm still excited to do things tomorrow. It was a long day today, and I can't wait to do it again tomorrow. This trip is supposed to be my birthday gift for myself because my birthday is coming soon, and I'd like to celebrate the end of my Carter life with a bang. No, with a lot of money spent. I planned this specifically for me to spend money, and I prepared so much for this financially. So, kumbaga, kung nagwawaldas ako ng pera, pinaisipan ko itong mabuti. And if you're judging me, I'll be judging you because you judging me. No, not really. But I'll end the day here and see you tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night! Ikaw maubusan ng medyas dito.